Pop this in the slow cooker and you come home from work to a delicious meal. We're making my slow cooker teriyaki chicken. I absolutely love this dish. It is sweet, it is sticky. I love the flavors in it with the garlic and the ginger as well. Everything in this dish is just amazing, and it is literally put everything straight in the slow cooker and just leave it alone. And I love those slow cooker recipes. Now, not a lot of people do this with their slow cooker, but I tend to do it. I preheat my slow cooker just like I would an oven. So what I usually do is 10 or 15 minutes before I'm going to be placing anything in it, I actually just turn it up on low to high, and everything starts cooking away quickly. This is not something you have to do, it's just something I do. And really, I don't know why I do it. I can't explain it. Things just turn out better. I don't know why. So into a bowl, I'm going to add our onions, garlic, the ginger, and then I'm pouring over soy sauce, some rice wine vinegar, some honey, and also a little bit of pepper as well. Now, I'm not adding any salt to this because the soy sauce is quite salty anyway. And when things get slow cooked, I find that you really bring out the saltiness in certain things. So just be gentle on the seasoning. And then place that mixture and just put it straight into the slow cooker. Now I've got some chicken breasts here, the tenderloin's removed, the skin is off, deboned, and I'm just gonna place them straight in and then coat them either side, just gently. And you wanna place it on low, leave it for 7 to 8 hours, go to work, come home, and then you've got this delicious meal waiting for you. You walk in the door, you say, honey, I'm home, and you open it up, and this chicken is going to be absolutely beautiful. The house will smell amazing. And now we only have to do 2 things. First thing, take the chicken breasts out and then shred them, just using 2 forks, just shred the chicken meat. Now you don't want to shred them like we're doing pulled pork or that cracked chicken dish that I made a few weeks ago. You still want some chunky bits there. You don't want whole breast meat either, so just pull it apart gently into bigger chunks. Go back to the marinated mixture, give it a good stir, and I'm adding a little bit of cornstarch or corn flour mixed in with a teaspoon of water, and I just add that in gently, and what this will do is we'll just thicken up that teriyaki sauce. I return the chicken back to the teriyaki sauce, get it all mixed around. That chicken will start to soak up all those beautiful juices, nothing gets wasted, and to serve is so simple. Straight into a bowl. I'm serving this with brown rice. Now the reason why I like serving this with brown rice, I like the nutty flavor of brown rice. But of course you use whatever rice you want, white. You can even have it by itself. You can have it in the brioche buns like I did with that cracked chicken recipe. Place the rice in, place and mound the chicken on top, and then just finish it off with some spring onions or scallions scattered over the top. I like the freshness of them. You could also serve it with sesame seeds as well if you wanted to. And there you have the most amazing dish that you're gonna come home to and the family will love. It's perfect for the next day if you wanna put it in the kids' school lunches. It's perfect if you wanna have leftovers for the next day. It will keep. It is so good. I really, really hope you try it. Great flavors, relatively inexpensive to do, but the taste factor is off the charts. If you're after this recipe, it's a favorite of mine, please try it out. The recipe is in the description below. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, share it around with your friends and family, and I'll see you real soon for another recipe. Have an amazing day.